Hello there. I wanted to share my thoughts on the RubberB strap because I couldn't find many detailed reviews of the vulcanized strap when I was looking to buy a two-tone rubber strap. This one was paired with my Explorer 2 reference 16,507. Overall, a great strap, especially for the price and unique design. Please express your thoughts on this. The Rolex Explorer 2 and RubberB black and orange vulcanized strap. RubberB is a company that sells high-quality rubber straps made specifically for Rolex watches. The straps are made of vulcanized rubber, which is both durable and comfortable. The brand provides a variety of colors and textures, allowing users to personalize their Rolex watches. Doing some research, I learned that the term vulchromatic refers to the patented sandwich type of manufacturing RubberB, invented that produces a dual-colored rubber strap. So one rubber mass is actually vulcanized to another rubber mass, in this case being of a second color, so that the two masses have a permanent bond on a molecular level. In other words, there are not paints or glues involved in the dual-colored rubber strap. Hence, the term vulchromatic. You can find replica versions of these styles on eBay, but they are glued and painted silicone. Fire. If you don't like allergies or risking your watch, then stay away from the replicas out there and be sure to buy from replicas out there and be sure to buy from a RubberB ad or the brand website. Getting back to RubberB straps, they are soft and supple to the touch. I noticed the dual-colored straps have a silkier finish than the sister solid straps from RubberB, but I don't have a preference between either of the two. Each strap is specifically designed to fit specific Rolex models, ensuring a perfect fit and maximum comfort. Rubber is also waterproof, making it an excellent choice for outdoor activities and water sport. Furthermore, the straps are simple to install, allowing users to switch between the original Rolex bracelet and the RubberB strap without causing any damage to the watch. Overall, the RubberB straps are a great buy for anyone looking to improve the comfort and appearance of their Rolex watch. They are an excellent choice for watch enthusiasts due to their high-quality rubber material and wide range of color options. Furthermore, the ease of installation allows users to change the look of their watch in a matter of minutes, and RubberB has an immense reputation amongst luxury watch enthusiasts for its quality and reliability. The best rubber strap available on the market is soft and flexible. They make it in Switzerland, and I highly recommend it.